Omuntu omu yandiyimbye akayimba akagamba nti gamba sitaani sidda ludda wa sidda mabega basobola okatuteeramu awo bagenda kudda mu nassale tutambula tugenda mu maaso tetugenda kulwawo tugenda kuzina Katonda ku lw'ekigambo ekyo.
As we are human beings, but if we are not educated, then our lives are impossible. The most powerful weapon is education. Life without education is like a room without light. Education is the best friend, and it doesn't have any end. Thank you. As leaders, government officials, you are most welcome to Kisowela Kindergarten. My name is Wajaira. I am in top class. My class teacher is Teacher Doreen. I am the head girl of nursery section. I am so happy for your presence here and the support you have given to us. Secondly, in pre-primary, parents, teachers, we thank you for making our serious education. Please, teachers, continue doing the same to our friends who are yet to come. Please, parents, bring more children to Kisowela Kindergarten. Long live our school, long live our head teachers, long live our teachers. I say this for God and my country.
My name is Akulu Doreen. I am the class teacher top. I am here to read the names of top class who are going to leave nursery section to primary level. Allow me read their names.
Gift Katie Adeke
Chapter 1 tubagalizo era kitaffe n'omwana n'omwe mutukuvu amina. Abazadde n'abayizi